Have you recently started suffering with mouth ulcers, or maybe you're feeling more tired than usual? These could both be signs that you're deficient in vitamin B12. Hi and welcome to 3-Minute Health. Today we have a list of 9 symptoms that could indicate you might be suffering from a vitamin B12 deficiency. Vitamin B12 is a readily available water-soluble vitamin, found in many meat and dairy-based foods. It's also added to fortified breakfast cereals and plant-based milks. Despite being a fairly common nutrient, many people still suffer from a deficiency. Those most at risk tend to be elderly, following a vegan diet, have digestive disorders, or taking certain medication for heartburn or diabetes. Vitamin B12 plays a major role in the production of red blood cells, DNA synthesis, and the healthy functioning of the nervous system. Most of the symptoms we will look at will be closely linked to these factors. Our list is in no particular order, and at various times, during the course of this video, we will display a key number in the top right-hand corner. This will relate to a piece of scientific research that we have linked in the description. Number 9, weakness and fatigue. Vitamin B12 is vital for making red blood cells. These are needed to carry oxygen around the body. For those suffering from a vitamin B12 deficiency, fatigue can often be an early symptom. Elderly people can suffer from pernicious anemia. This can make it difficult for vitamin B12 to be absorbed by the body during digestion. Number 8, difficulty walking. Vitamin B12 affects our balance and coordination. This in turn can affect the way we walk. This symptom is more common in the over 60s, and if treated with supplements can result in an improvement to mobility. Number 7, low blood oxygen. As we mentioned earlier, vitamin B12 is needed for the production of red blood cells, without which we can't carry enough oxygen around the body. Low oxygen levels can lead to breathlessness, dizziness, and heart palpitations. Making sure you get enough dietary vitamin B12 should rectify this symptom. If it doesn't, it could be a sign of something else, and you should consult your doctor. Number 6, anxiety and mood swings. There have been several studies into lower vitamin B12 levels and the link with impaired brain function, resulting in mood swings, depression, and dementia. Some studies have suggested that a vitamin B12 supplement may be able to reverse some of these symptoms. Number 5, high temperature. This is a slightly rarer symptom than the rest. Some patients that have presented with an unexpected fever or high temperature have had it return to normal levels after the introduction of a vitamin B12 supplement. Number 4, poor eyesight. A lack of adequate vitamin B12 can result in damage to the optic nerve. This can appear as blurred or disrupted vision. Vitamin B12 plays a vital function in the nervous system, and the optic nerve is part of it. If caught early, this symptom can be reversed with the simple addition of supplements. Number 3, mouth ulcers. Mouth ulcers and a swollen tongue can also be an early symptom of deficiency. In extreme cases, the tongue can swell large enough to make eating and talking difficult. Number 2, pins and needles. Paresthesia, also known as pins and needles, can occur with long-term vitamin B12 deficiency. Long-term deficiency can result in nerve damage by reducing the amount of myelin produced. Myelin is a fatty substance that surrounds and protects the nerve. And at number 1 we have jaundice or pale skin. Because vitamin B12 is needed to make red blood cells, many of those deficient have pale or slightly yellow skin. A lack of vitamin B12 can cause a type of anemia called megaloblastic anemia, which produces large, fragile blood cells. These blood cells are too large to pass into the bloodstream and cause us to have too few red blood cells. Many of the symptoms we have listed are not exclusive to vitamin B12 deficiency, so if they persist, please consult your doctor. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with all our latest content.